Alright, so here I am at Cape Palliser. I'm about to walk up to the lighthouse. I think there is a geocache up there and also a virtual that I've got to get some information for, so that'll be interesting. And then after that, we're going to go through that gate and along the coast a little bit. I don't know how far we can go. I've been told it's a couple of Ks, but a couple of Ks can vary depending on who's telling you the story. So we'll go and have a bit of a look anyway. This is the southernmost point of the North Island, and that lighthouse up there is still in use. It's fully automated now, but I think it was up until 1986 that they had lighthouse keepers here. That is a lot of steps. 253 to be exact. And the lighthouse first shone for the first time on the 27th of October 1897. It looks like I'm about to get wet. That's rain coming in. Oh dear. Not sure what this weather's doing. It's almost like the rain is going around me, which would be nice with any luck. Whew, it was a long walk up. You see the van down there and the tracks where we're going to head. So this lighthouse tower is made out of cast iron. Would never have guessed that. Obviously the bottom's concrete. And it's looking back the way we came. One big red and white lighthouse. Well, that was a walk. Back down now, and the weather's a bit patchy, so while it's not raining, I'm thinking I'm going to head around the corner and just see what there is to see. There is a bit of blue sky. The weather quite knows what it's doing today either. Now this is a cool place. Looks like there's been a fire here though. Well, there clearly has been. But all these weird rocks and the cabbage trees. I'm sure it would be a lot nicer if it wasn't all burnt. Strange place. Wild looking place. Across the stream. Just going to see, have a little bit of a look and see how deep it is, because I don't have a snorkel. Oh yeah, that isn't too bad at all. We'll be right. I don't think I'm going to be going too much further. That scree slope I've been told not to attempt that on my own. I'm going to go have a look, but I'm not going to attempt it on my own. There's no sense in being stupid. I haven't seen another vehicle here. Okay, I've come to a very definite end to the track, or as far as I'm going to be going today. Yeah, so there's been a fair bit of water down here. You could cross it, not going down there. If you had a different vehicle and were keen enough, you could come down across there, drop down in, cross over up there. You can sort of see a track where people have been going, but I'm guessing it's just quad bikes, and then back up onto the track. I could probably do it, but I've got no need to do it. It's a dead end anyway, and it's rather stupid to attempt it on my own. Nah, this is the end of the track. For me, I've had an excellent time. We're a good 5k's around from the lighthouse, probably a little bit more. It's 5k's in a straight line, so. And I think this is officially the east coast again, no longer on the south coast. So it's raining, and I'm sitting here around Cape Palliser, just where I turned around. And I'm just reflecting on the van. I'm really enjoying it. It is really good off-road. Not just for a van, it's just is good off-road. So, yeah, really enjoying it. I don't think I'll be parting with this anytime soon. So I've made it back round here to the public road, and I'm just airing up the tyres. I think that's it for me today. I'm visiting some friends in Featherston, so I'm gonna get on my way back to there. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time here on SwampChook Overland.